Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make boiled egg fry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now add 2 slit green chillies. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1 finely chopped onion, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a little salt. Saute this for some time and add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for 2 minutes and add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix well. Saute this for some time and add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and a little salt. Mix well. Place the lid and cook this till the tomatoes become soft. Stir occasionally. Now add half a cup of water. Mix well. When the water starts boiling, add 3 split boiled eggs. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now cover it and cook this over low flame for 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Now carefully turn it over and turn off the flame. Now it's ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.